Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to save even more on your AliExpress purchases? Here's how to find and use promo codes to unlock great deals. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type AliExpress promo codes and press enter. You will see several websites offering promo codes for AliExpress. These codes can help you save on everything from gadgets to clothing. Click on one of these websites to browse the latest deals, like 10% off on orders over 20 or free shipping with selected sellers. Choose a promo code that matches your shopping needs and copy it to your clipboard. Now head to the AliExpress website or app and add your desired items to the cart and paste the promo code to checkout to enjoy your discount. And that's it. You have successfully saved on your AliExpress purchase using a promo code. Thanks for watching.